Now we need to create the access here. To do that, create section straight. We will keep this option here and just select the the first, click and click. Do the same at the other side. Okay, dismiss. So now we need to cut all these sections. To do that, modify sections split. You can do it one by one, okay, or so I need to cut this one or just graphical pick this one, this one, this one, this one, escape, pick the sections to split on, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and select this option and click split. So if we get some errors, it should be okay as long as the section are correctly cut. So next we need to remove so delete the sections. So that is not practicable, so we need to merge the sections again. So create, so modify sections, merge. Select the first section you want to merge, and then the second section must be collinear to the first one, so in the same line. Okay, and then do the same for the other one. Modify section, merge. First one, second one. Yes. Now the section should be okay.